Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me is BaseUs Bowie MA10 headphones, and I'm going to show you how to manage gestures. Let's get started. So, the first thing we are gonna do is just to remove them from our case, because we want them to be connected with our phone. Now we have to open our BaseUs app and wait a moment. Now we can connect with our headphone. Now we have to click gesture setting, and as you can see we can modify our gestures by clicking on this. We can play, pause, next, previous, voice assistant and a lot of more by double tapping or by press holding or by tapping 3 times. We can choose between right and left earbud. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.